Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can play Snake with your Spotify playlist. So in order to play Snake, the Snake game basically with your Spotify playlist and basically start eating your playlist, here's how you can do it. So first of all, make sure that you have Spotify updated to the latest version, because this is a newly released update. Once you've done that, what you can simply do is open Spotify and head over to any playlist that you own. Once you've done that, head over into those three little dots right here. And once you've done that, scroll down till you find Eat This Playlist right there. If you click on it, you can just automatically start playing Snake. I also recommend basically just moving my phone. However, you can also just do it just like this. So what you're going to do is three little dots, scroll down, Eat This Playlist. And then you can literally just start playing Snake, and you can swipe up, down, and you can basically start playing Snake. And then every time you basically eat one of your numbers, you will get a different sound, and it's really cool. So yeah, that's basically all you need to do in order to play Snake with your Spotify playlist. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.